Hey traders, hope you are good. People ask me, Muro, why don't you trade altcoins anymore? The thing is, guys, I do trade them from time to time, not as much as back in the days. Because of being father, you know, I have a small child, 1 year old, 1.5, and I prefer to give my time to him and only trade one market, which is BTC. And if you know me, if you follow me longer, you know that I spent the first 2 years on Twitter with nothing else than teaching how to trade altcoins. And I think I can say without being cocky that I helped many people to learn how to trade altcoins. It is easy, guys. Trading altcoins is easy. You can complicate it, and you can, do some fine tuning with moving averages and all that. But in this video, I want to show you what you basically need to trade altcoins. It is simple, guys. As you can see here, these are all old charts. What you need is simply patterns, okay? You simply need one line to trade altcoins. As you see, you buy the breakout or you buy the retest. Just like here, these are retests, guys. Okay, breakout, retest, and yeah. Let's just go through some altcoins here on my list, watch list, so I can explain you better what I mean. You draw a diagonal trend line. From the recent high, swing high, guys, okay? You take one major swing high. A major swing high is, you know, when the price makes a high and a low. This is a swing high and this is a swing low. In between you have many highs and lows, but some of them are major highs, okay? They immediately, you recognize them because they are pretty high and pretty low, okay? Those are the major highs and major lows. And you draw lines on them. Here, look at this. And when you see a breakout, you simply, buy the retest. Let me go further here. As you see, we still have a lot of good, what is this? I had marked this some days ago. As you see, beautiful falling wedge broke out today. I missed it. I should have put an alarm on this one, forgot that. But actually, let's look at the MAs as well. I think, perfect. EMA 200, guys. This is confluence. This is no surprise actually. Altcoins, you can use EMAs. I will do that in another video. Let's just keep it on trend lines on this video, okay? Because basically all you need is one line, guys, to trade altcoins. Sometimes the line is really clean and pretty obvious. Sometimes it doesn't look good. You don't have clear, really clean highs and lows, and the trend line is not perfect. So in such a case, you just skip it. You don't trade it, or take the obvious trades. Here, look at this Binance coin, BNB, also breaking out, guys. Oh, this is the H4. Let me go back to the daily. What do we have here? Bitcoin Gold. I can imagine that this one here will pump as well now in the next days. You see this? It's breaking out. Yeah, guys, as you see, trend line and breakout, retest, and then pump. Here again, the same. This is it, guys. I don't even have to explain much. You see what I'm already trying to show you. what should I explain, guys? This is basically one line that you have to draw on the chart. Combine the swing highs, okay? And what you need is at least 2 highs for the trend line, okay? At least 2 highs. But if you have 3 or more, then it's better, okay? It's better. And then when the coin breaks out, as you see here, we have a nice line, okay? Yeah, this one is not perfectly, it wicked above, but that's not important. That can happen sometime, as long as you have 1, 2, 3. You see this? Then yeah, look at these coins, guys. We have still so many good setups, so no need to FOMO. And if you buy a coin which breaks out, what you can target is simply a horizontal levels, okay? Levels where the price had shown reaction in the past, like here, for example. You see this? This is an important level here. Hold on, let me make this black. Nice line, breakout, retest. And sometimes, guys, trading altcoins is a patience game, okay? Sometimes it takes a whole while going sideways. But as you see here, once the coin breaks out, it stops going down, okay? Usually, after a breakout, the coin will, when it goes sideways, it will go upper direction, as you see here. Then you can draw a line like this, okay? And then it will suddenly trend stronger to the upper side here, as you see, something like this. This is ICX icon. Also, you had a falling wedge, then it broke out, and in Q1 this year it had its big run. It was amazing. I also posted the icon and some other coins before the alt season started in Q1. It was at the beginning of January, guys. Maybe some of you remember that. I mentioned that we will have an alt season, and some people laughed, and as always, you know. And then what happened is all those huge trend lines worked out. Here, these coins started pumping, even Litecoin. Yeah, some coins have really no hype, like this one here, Mithril, no real FA, nothing. Then you don't have to expect much. As you see here, Moneta, I don't even know what this coin is, but yeah, when you have an alt season and the TA is good, it's still okay for some pumps. Man, most of these altcoins are old, and you don't even know if the team is still alive, if they are still working. So OMG had a good run this year, recently. So yeah, when you buy an altcoin, you don't use a tight stop, guys, okay? That's too much stress. If you buy an altcoin after a breakout and retest, what you want to do is you let's say you buy the retest and you put a stop loss which is more than 5%, okay? Let's say you buy somewhere here, it can be 10% or so, the stop loss, because you actually target some highs, okay? Like here. And then you don't have to use a tight stop loss, because when Bitcoin pumps or dumps extremely, you will have dips, and if you use tight stops, then it might stop you out. And then, like here, for example, you see these huge moves happen, and then it might stop you out, and then the coin keeps pumping without you So I don't recommend tight stop losses on altcoins. Yeah, QLC. I think this one had some FA recently. Some news coming out. And I don't have time to follow all these altcoins anymore, guys. But there are really many good people on Twitter, and it makes me happy to see all of them sharing all those ideas and altcoin trades. And guys, these days, most of the people on Twitter do legit TA when they post altcoin trades. It's not PND like back in the days, okay? I know many traders who speak in private groups to each other, and they compare charts. They try to really, they use TA, okay? They use legit TA when they call these coins on Twitter. So yes, maybe when they call the coins, okay, it can make it a bit faster. It can make the coins go up a bit faster, but the TA is already good, so the altcoins would have moved anyway. You know what I'm saying? It's not PND and shilling and yeah, dumping on followers. It's not like that, okay? That was back in the days. So you can really be happy if you are new in crypto that you have such good people in the community who share all that work for free. And as you can see, guys, this is it. All you need is one line, a few tests of the line, and then when you see a breakout, you can anticipate a move higher. Here are all these coins. What is this? Wipe. Yeah, Wipe is not performing good this year. Then you had When. Huge falling wedge, broke out, went sideways some days, almost a week, and then an amazing run. This looks small on the chart, but I remember this was last year. Look here, from 2000 Satoshis up to 6,000. That's a 3x, guys, right? So it looks small and on the chart sometimes, but these runs are sometimes really good trains to ride. Yeah, Tesla's falling wedge broke out and pumped. What is this? Verge. Also had a nice look at this, guys. This was pretty obvious setup, right? What is this? Z coin. Also looks good. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 few tests of the trend line. It looks like it's breaking out right now. Retesting might go up. What I do is, of course, I combine all these things with MAs as well, guys. Okay, if I have MA confluence, I check the EMAs, and when the EMAs look good, also I check the MAs. Okay, the moving averages 50, 100, and 200. If the curves are good, the curves have to be good. Okay, you see this, guys? MAs are really useful and helpful when you trade altcoins. I will do that in another video, but for now I just wanted to show you this trend line thing. It is simple, really. It is simple as this, guys. You draw one line, and sometimes you can also draw a line on the downside. So that you can draw a falling wedge actually. What is this? Dash is looking good right now, guys. Look, this is Dash at the beginning of this year. I posted this one. This was one of the coins that I had shared when I called the alt season in Q1. I did draw this trend line and shared this setup, and some days later Dash had this crazy run. What is this? Streamer data. Also worth keeping an eye on this one. As you see, nice trend line. Might break out and pump. Ethereum doing its thing as well. the leader of the altcoins, the major altcoin Ethereum, right? What is this? Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic. Alright, no need to make this video too long, guys. This is it. This is about the trend line. You combine the highs, okay? This is the major highs, and then when you have a breakout, you can buy the coin, and you can use MAs to buy dips, and I will explain that in another video. But this is how to trade altcoins. It's actually really easy. It's a patience game. All you need is patience. You buy the coin, and you really shouldn't watch it, okay? Just let it run a few days, maybe 2 weeks or so, because as you see, it takes some time until the coin goes up. It's not like trading Bitcoin with leverage, so that you expect a move in 1 or 2 days. Sometimes it takes many days, but still, crypto is a really volatile market, so yeah, it's worth it. So yes, I had marked this one some days ago and I forgot about it. Do you see this? You can draw a falling wedge like this. This is one of the best patterns, guys. The falling wedge is my favorite pattern for altcoins and also for BTC. Okay, works most of the times, more than 90% success rate for this pattern here, falling wedge. And I love the falling wedges in crypto, guys. They are so clean. Look at this. It's so clean, right? So what you can do is, when you see something like this, you buy here somewhere. You don't even catch it. You don't have to catch the perfect bottom, okay? You don't have to do that. You can use a stop loss, which is a bit more generous, like this, okay? Yeah, and then target these levels here. Some highs. Okay, here. Alright, that's it for this video. This is the trend line, okay, for altcoins. You draw this diagonal trend line. Yeah, this is it. Hope you have a good week, everyone, and see you soon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.